We have the Rodrigues fruit bat here and the Livingstone's fruit bats. And they're both from islands in the Indian Ocean. The Livingstone's fruit bat is going to be critically endangered, and we have the main colony here at Durrell. They're only found on two little islands at the top of the Mozambique Channel called Anjouan and Mohili. The population is declining quite fast due to habitat destruction. The Rodrigues fruit bat, though, is in a better position because we've been focusing on that species for a while, and there's been a reforestation program going on the island of Rodrigues. The numbers are actually going up, so that's the good news for that species. The breeding program started in '92. There were 3 expeditions to get the founder animals, so in '92, '93 and '95. Those founder animals came back here and we started the colony. Now, at this present moment, we have 63 animals in captivity worldwide. So that's Durrell, plus Chester, plus Lissazou in France, and Bristol. Bristol have the next largest colony after Durrell. And Bristol and Durrell work on the conservation program out in the Comores. It's a very complex situation out there, and we're not going to turn things around very quickly. We have started to address the problems, and the key thing is to work with the people. At present, there is a massive human population expansion. There are literally hardly any resources on the island, so they're denuding the landscape, taking down trees, working their way up these mountain areas, and encroaching into the bats' territory, taking down key roost sites. Forests need bats. People need forests. You know, it's this triangle that has to be all intact for both the bats and the people to have a future on the island. And of course, we've got backup population in captivity that if the worst should happen in the wild, we've got bats that we can reintroduce. But that's always going to be a last resort. But, you know, they are very, very important. And, you know, we're working like mad to turn things around in the wild.